walking around muna sa forest dahil autumn na. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda ng mga puno. Kita nyo guys, ayan na, ang gaganda. Sari-sari ang kulay ng mga dahon nila, from green to gold, yellow and brown. So that is beautiful color. And that is the maple leaves, because now is November and that is getting slowly brown, the maple leaves. But at the back, if you can see, that's a gold leaves. And here is a little view at the nest. And if you what heard, kung ano yung naririnig nyo, siya ay isang not a owl, and that is the mixture of gold, green and brown. So just I show you these beautiful colors and autumn at the forest. So see, come up to the nearest gold leaves, and then you can see that one. Just I want to show you the gold beautiful maple leaves. So excuse me guys, yeah, so I'm in a forest now and walking at the time. So here's so beautiful color too, and very quiet, this forest where I get every time the mushrooms. And this flower have a fruit too, and that is getting yellow and getting gold, her leaves. So if you can see a beautiful focus of her flowers, okay, you can see that one, beautiful color mixture. And that is on the forest, at the forest. So you can see guys. And here is just you can hear the sounds of the nature of the birds, wild birds. Quiet, really very quiet here in the forest. Now you can see here this maple tree is from upstairs to going downstairs. After from upstairs is a gold leaves, and going downstairs because it's a little bit warm than after at the upstairs, so they're getting green slowly, but they going all gold leaves. And that is a beautiful leaves. It look like mixture of orange, gold, pink, and that is nice color. So now here I'm upstairs at a little bit of the mountains. So if you can see, turn my camera, and if you heard when we are walking, it's like that, a little bit noise because of the leaves all on the ground. So if you can see, it's really nice view, and that is really beautiful. Turn around my camera. I'm middle of the forest, and the setup outside before years ago is the east side. Okay, and that is the wall, so you can see there here. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I'm going downstairs now. See you my next video upload. Thank you, bye. So just I'm walking around downstairs. Just I hold my camera because a very beautiful view. Just see when I'm walking downstairs. And that's the view inside of the forest. beautiful big trees. So that is all our muffles tree, and the other one are birch tree and mixture of the trees. And now is really very nice color, but the weather is gray because autumn. Thank you guys for watching, and see you my next video upload again. Bye bye.